Selidumele emasumpeni sekuyodela uMakhasana yena oyobe khona kuyinkani zababili lapho seyibulalana ngomhla ka-9 August iyavuthwa indlela ebheke Union Buildings. Kunalama submissions ke avelayo ukuthi one uSaturday upresident uyobe khona yini. Thike mina upresident ngawo Monday aye eCape Town, nga uSunday abe seMelika. We can never be certain for sure that the president will be there, but esikwaziyo kodwa ukuthi upresident usebenza 24/7. Asikho isikhathi la simdinga khona esingeke sikwazi ukumthola khona. Ngisho ngathiwa uyobe kuphi imali yethu yentela iyamkhokhela ukuthi ebe nama resources okusuka noma yikuphi eze lapho sikhona azosilalela azosiattenda. Kunembuzo ke ephusile abafowethu abayibuzayo ukuthi now that we have made a decision and we are agreeing as the nation ukuthi there is no political party that will give us the freedom we want as the people, why though lama political parties engavumi ukuphatheka kwi-journey which is masses boundless power led by nobody but the people themselves? Anginazi impendulo zalokho ngoba ngivezile ukuthi khona abathi bafuna ukuyicommit, but umbuzo was specifically relating to the leaders ukuthi why uMalema is not affirming his presence in that gathering, why uNxamalala is not affirming his presence in that gathering, or any other political leader for that matter, because this is a revolution against the system of all the people. Political parties do exist and they've strived into materializing that vision, but to date it has never been rendered to whom it is due, nor been delivered to whom it is due, so to say. So i-challenge esinayo critical ukuthi ama-political parties ngisho ekhona nawo are subjected to i-system. Kunama-standards nama-criterias nazo zonke izinto ey'bakhejayo noma ey'babophayo ezingozankosi kubo ukuthi they cannot just freely behave anyhow. Bona banama-standards ukuthi they can raise a vote of no confidence, they can go a route for petition or whatsoever, which is still within the system, because the system is designed that when you get into the bottom of it, you are already exhausted and tired and nobody's following you anymore. But the people can take power into their own hands and lead themselves into taking and reclaiming our own land. This is our land, people. Le march esikhulumayo noma lolu hambo esikhuluma ngalo akulona lama political parties, ngoba ama political parties have never given us what we want. They are the cause of unemployment rate that is so high. They are the cause of poverty that we are enduring every day. They are a cause of exploitation. They are a cause of so many things. Why? They are easily manipulated by the capitalist into buying into their concept. They are always taught of economic growth versus economic development. They are made to strive for economic growth that is measured in international standards that never seek to serve the interest of the people. But today, as the nation, if we stand united against the system, that is our only way out. That is our only chance we have. Akuyona into ye tribe. Once again, I beg all of you to partake in this work. Let us work together and with one voice remove President Ramaphosa. Siyawanxenxa amaphoyisa aseNingizimu Afrika namasosha aseNingizimu Afrika to join us in this march. If nobody is joining, we will walk alone. If no one is next to me, I will still walk alone. If there are thousands next to me, we will walk together. But I believe that if all of us partake in this journey, the victory is certain. Mhlawumbe abanye bayasitshela ukuthi uRamaphosa uyophuma ngo-2029 or even at only that term. There is no defeat in this cause. We will not lose in this cause. History will remember us. History will know that we gave our best, we gave our lives, we stood when standing was not easy. We fought against the system. If we died fighting, so be it. If we fail or lose, or he remains there for a lifetime, but we would have done our part, we would have done our best. But I do doubt if there's any force in this world that can defeat the will of the people if they are together and united. Together we stand, divided we fall.